second sequencing technique that's particularly good if we've got like our little take lines here. So what I want to do is I want to get this down here, and I'm gonna probably mute the Foley samples for now, because otherwise the mix will just get too full. So this might be for a different section in the song or something. So we've got this right now. And to make some space for what we're gonna do now, I'm just gonna turn this off. And instead focus on these here. So let's maybe see if we can somehow make sure that these are joined. I think this will... Oh no, we've still gotta take lanes. No, we do not. So let us maybe see if we can somehow preserve those. No, we can't. Okay. Then I suppose we'll just make do with what we have. So let's just take this one here. Then join these here. And then still have our take lines. Nope. So let's just focus on this first bit here. And unmute this and mute the Foley samplers. And then we can just pick out different parts of our little synth experiments. I've maybe went a bit too far, recorded a few too many, but whatever. Let's just see what we get here. Oh, these first ones are all not that great. Let me see. So can we go into track mode here? We can't do jumping in here. Okay. Then let's maybe instead actually just drag this out and not do this by comping, but by doing something a bit different here. Where I will just drag some stuff out here, bounce this in place, cut this, and then I'm just gonna think about where I want little drums fills here. So maybe after the snare. And then I can just hold control here and shift this around till I find interesting bits. And kind of fit them into the rhythm. So let's listen to this. That's kind of an interesting fill maybe. No. And we've just got a lot dubsteppy. You know what? I actually want to do something first to edit these a bit. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to drag this out here and just slice this in place. Click slice in place. Create a whole lot of different slices, select them all, and just shorten the envelopes here. So just cut this down and then join all of these, bounce this in place, and now we'll just get a bit shorter, kind of more percussive kind of sounds if we listen to this now. So maybe we want this here. Make sure this kind of lines up with the hi-hat, I suppose. Or maybe like this. And then after the snare, maybe another one, just see what else we have here. Nope. I like this last bit, I think. Yeah, just get these kind of flammy sounds almost. And I'll just do this for the short loop now, and then later on when we actually write this, we'll create some variations of this loop here with some more interesting drum beats. Oh, where we can just generate interesting stuff. We can also like pan these differently or something. So we can take this, go in the inspector, pan this all the way to the left. Maybe not all the way actually. But like move these around a bit just to create some spatial kind of interest. Make this a bit quieter. I want to also have this on the right, maybe makes it a bit quieter. This on the left again. Just to have some stuff happening here. Maybe we can also try selecting these, pitch shifting them or something. So let's setting stretch to this transient mode and just going up. Or trying slice maybe. Can just get some interesting glitch sounds this way. And this is a very nice way to kind of efficiently explore a lot of different sounds. So yeah, I think you get the basic idea. We'll revisit this when we think about writing more. But that's it for percussion for now. Actually, the next one will already be the writing stuff, so see you then. Bye.